From DoneRight Management, we're going to do a quick video tutorial on the fireplace at Park Street, Penthouse East. Now, it does say indicate right here where it says to turn on the fireplace, use the wall-mounted thermostat, which is right up here. However, if it doesn't go on, just back here, which I had to do, this was in the off position, and actually it says burner on off, so I switched it on, and it instantly went on. It's possible that you might actually need to put on ignite it, which is going to be pushing that button. However, we also have it's not a however, but also for your information, right here is the blower. So when it warms up, if you want the heat to go on, you're going to use this little knob right here. And you can hear it click on and off. So once it gets to a certain temperature, it'll actually allow the fan to kick on and then blow the heat into the unit. So that would be it. So if you have any questions, and if you're done, now watch. Boom, I turn that off, and it'll actually die out. Turn it back on, boom, that works. So if you have any further questions, you can reach out to us. If you're having any issues or complications, the number in the office, it's 208-634-0030, and we're at the Penthouse, Unit 303. Cheers.